Erick from renovation from Green Student.
Elvis Karume from 3 Tunisia Academy.
Mark Brian from 4 Tunisia Academy.
And I.S.M.V is our business idea. What is I.S.M.V, you may ask? I.S.M.V stands for Improved Second-Hand Motor Vehicle Company. Our company will exclusively deal with the acquisition and refurbishing of second-hand vehicles. I.S.M.V will be centrally located in Nairobi and will have other branches in Nakuru and Thika, since these areas have large population, hence large markets. I.S.M.V will employ local mechanical engineers and accountants to help with the normal running of the company. We'll also deploy field scouts all over the country to help with the acquisition of these vehicles.
Acquisition of these vehicles will be enabled by establishing a good relationship with the government so as to acquire government vehicles such as EXGK. Since this vehicle goes for cheaper prices, we'll be saving and reducing the operating cost of the business. We'll also be working with variety of insurance companies so as to enjoy the right of subrogation directly from the companies. We'll also be convincing individuals who have broken down vehicles to be selling them to our company. And for our market analysis, we are planning to be a major second-hand motor vehicle business company by supplying our products to various markets such as driving school, tourism sectors, individual, and many others. And for the advertisement of the business, we advertise our business through social media platforms such as Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and many others. So as to, by doing so, we'll be able to increase the sale of our products.
I know you might be wondering, where will we get our capital? We will be able to enhance and get our capital from local banks, and also our company, since it is a special kind of company, we will be able to capture major investors in this company. And once we start to earn profit, we'll use this profit to pay our loan and also run our business.
We are planning to make our company a private limited company so as to gain trust and confidence from our investors. We'll also employ a team of managers who will manage the company on our behalf.
And for competition analysis, we are planning to be customizing our cars so as to attract more customers to our cars, more customers to buy our cars, since people like customized cars. And for our aim of the business, our aim is to take up young entrepreneurs and young mechanical engineers, put their skills and ideas into work, and to save the society from suffering 100% loss from their broken down cars. Thank you.